Hello, let me introducing myself. My name is Fadia Nur Sabrina Tias with NPM 24401059094. Here, I will share an unforgettable story throughout my life. So, here's the experience. 2019 was the last year I stepped foot in grade 9, junior high school. I attended Muhammadiyah boarding school Yogyakarta. When appreciating graduation, I asked my parents if I want to go to high school in Gontor for girls. But my parents' response didn't make me confident in my abilities. Also, my parents burdened me to continue to Gontor for girls. But my desire was unanimous that I want to go to school there. Blah blah blah. In June 2019, I came to Gontor for Girls and I registered. There are many lessons that I could take from a few days of being a prospective Gontor for Girls student. At the time of the announcement, luck was on my side. I was placed on Gontor for Girls' first campus in Mantingan, Ngawi, East Java, Indonesia. At this time, I was able to prove my parents and relative who from the beginning underestimated me and thought that I could not afford to be a student at Gontor for Girls. As time went on, I began to enjoy my days as Santriwati at Gontor for Girls. The lesson I can take from this boarding are life lesson. I think Gontor has knowledge and a world that cannot be found anywhere else. Yeah, Gontor has its own characteristic that outsiders will not understand if they don't feel it. And it turns out that Gontor, which is this big, has an administration that is well managed by its members without outside interference. What makes me amazed and proud until now is the experience I have gone through while attending school there. Every time there is a boarding event, Gontor always gives the best and unexpected, such as art exhibition, public speaking, etc. I was once a member of the Paskibra at the boarding introduction week event. This event is very large and costs a lot of money. I thought only a few costs were incurred, but the costs turned out to be more than my expectation. Every time Gontor held an event, not only interesting event, the learning that is taught is very challenging, such as almost all the lessons we are engaged in using Arabic. And teachers at Gontor also explain it with Arabic. Learning and teaching sessions still use simple methods. For example, we are not allowed use back while attending school. We bring in the book with our hands. So the teacher teaching still use a wooden blackboard and chalk. Yeah, we have to walk a minimum of 3 minutes to get to our class. So the limit of taking money a week is quite no exercise, etc. I am very grateful to go to school here, where the Gontar upbringing is what matured me today. And an unforgettable experience for me is when the final school exam for graduation. Here is a long journey that really tests each of us to establish ourselves as dignified alumni. Don't I deserve to be a Gontar alumni? Do you know what makes me never forget this final exam? Cause we are the final class undergoing quarantine for more than 1 month to focus on the exam. Exam phase, like oral examination, which are tested on lesson from 7th grade, junior high school until 12th grade high school, using Arabic and English. With such a tight schedule, we have to be able to condition ourselves and place ourselves in our respective periods. How we must be able to manage time well and must decide which lessons are difficult and easy to learn. The exam that we carry out have 3 methods. The first exam is teaching practice. So second, this is an oral exam, and the last is written exam. For the written exam, I can spill it here. It's a little documentation that my teacher took when I did the written exam. The most difficult written exam, in my opinion, the most difficult is written exam, cause all the questions are essay and use Arabic. Yeah. So maybe that's all I can share. Actually, there is still a lot I want to share with all of you, but yeah, when else? See you!